Hi everyone, Gagajoy's cooking. Today we're just going to make a good southern casserole with macaroni and kidney beans and all kinds of tomatoes and good stuff. This actually is just a Southwest casserole. Now I've got 2.5 pounds of 90-10 in here. It didn't have hardly any fat at all. I did try to dip it out. And I've got onions in here. I've got them going. And I got two cloves of garlic. Oh, this is always so good. It fits. It's something for everybody. Now I rinsed my dark kidney beans. You can use light kidney beans, but this one, I think with this one, it just looks so pretty. Now it's 2 cans of diced tomatoes, and I went ahead and put one in here so that it wouldn't be so dry already. I use a lot of tomatoes anymore. It seems like every time I go to the store, I'm buying tomatoes of some sort. But I love them, so, and most everything I make has been, pretty much has onions or tomatoes in it. And I've got a daughter that's really gets mad at me over that. And this is a little can of green chilies. You know, they're not real hot, but they do give it a good flavor. I'm waiting on my water for my macaroni. Let this be simmering. Okay. Put that over there. Let's put a little spice in it. About a half teaspoon of cumin. A teaspoon of chili powder. That's not much. And I always put a half a teaspoon of savory. It's just a spice I keep around. I always make a half. This sort of gives an extra flavor. You probably have one of those too. Half teaspoon of pepper. 1 teaspoon. 2 teaspoons of salt, of course. Okay. Oh gosh, you know how good this smells, I'm sure. Onions, tomatoes. Now all we're waiting on is that macaroni. Well, I just got the macaroni and drained it. So let's put it in. Steam on my glasses. And this is a can, just a regular can of tomato sauce. That's 2 cans of diced tomatoes and tomato sauce. A lot of tomatoes, like I said. Of course, it's going to be a lot of good stuff added to it, so it will work out very good. This is a big pan of goodness. So, I'm going to try to get it into my baking dish. Oh goodness, that does look good. Okay. It's a big bowl. Everybody's going to be taking some home. Actually, it probably would have done good for two. I'll set that over so you can see. Okay. Let's add to the goodness with, what else? Jalapeno peppers. If you're going to go down, let's go down good. I love them. I like them canned better than I do just the plain ones, because these are not as hot. Or at least I don't think they are. Maybe they are. Oh, this smells so good. It's like walking into a Mexican restaurant, I think. And of course, plenty of mozzarella cheese. Now, I've got my oven preheated to 375. I'm going to put this in the oven maybe for 15 minutes just to get my everything melted together. Okay, let's put it in the oven. And out comes the goodness. Oh, goodness. Yeah, it's still a bubbling, hot, hot, hot. Let me get a dish. I'll let you see it before I mess it up. Well, if you like mozzarella cheese, this is good. Oh, this looks so good. This is my kind of dish. Really, really. I'm going to say it's the best thing I've eaten in weeks. And it's not hot. It's just got that hint of hot. It's not on my tongue, maybe a little bit in the back, but it's not hot at all. Well, we got another good dish going here. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you make it. It's worth your time. And it's actually not a real expensive dish either. And so, have a good day. Remember the joy. Take care of yourselves. See you soon.